When selling your home, utilizing effective marketing tools is crucial to attracting potential buyers and ensuring a successful sale. Several key tools do stand out. First and foremost, high-quality professional photography plays a critical role in creating visually appealing listings. Capturing the essence and unique features of your home through well-composed and well-lit images can significantly enhance its desirability. Equally important is engaging and compelling property descriptions. Well-crafted descriptions highlight the key selling points of your home, emphasizing the unique features, location advantages, and its potential lifestyle benefits. In today's digital age, online platforms and listings are indispensable marketing tools. Utilizing popular real estate websites, social media platforms, and even video tours allows you to showcase your property to a wide audience, increasing its exposure and reach. Lastly, traditional marketing methods such as yard signs, brochures, and open houses remain valuable tools for attracting local buyers and generating interest. By leveraging essential marketing tools, Lifestyle Properties is able to effectively promote your home, capture the attention of potential buyers, and increase the likelihood of a successful sale at the highest price. If you are thinking of selling your home or you would like more information about the current market, please click the link below. I'm Andrew Buck with Lifestyle Properties at Keller Realty. Thank you.